This is Chris Kent with the second installment of our article, Choosing Planks and Core Strength Exercises for Our Lower Abs. Now when we're talking about lower abdominal exercises, we want to look at things that initiate movement through the hips and through the lower body. Alright, some good core strength exercises for this purpose would be something like a straight leg setup, because with this, when you think about it, this versus a crunch, whereas a crunch is kind of coming from the top, the straight leg setup is being initiated much more from the hips and hip flexors. Alright, so we're going to get much more distribution of load. Sort of the crunch occurs down here versus up here. So that's really one of the big differences. So that's a good exercise there. We also have things like an ab wheel roll out, a push out. We could go sliding out in this fashion, or we could come to the top. Again, initiate, pause, and bring it back. Once again, the crunch is occurring lower because I'm pulling back with my lower abs. I'm kind of moving towards from the top towards the bottom here. So those would be two excellent examples of exercises we might choose for the lower abs. Okay, obviously we also have things like a reverse crunch, which literally is crunching from the bottom, as well. So that, and leg lifts also. So really all of those kind of give us options for our lower abs. All right, now when we're combining this in a circuit with planks, what we're looking for here, actually movement initiated from the upper body, because again, when I'm crawling out, doing things like pushing up, I could be doing hand walks, whatever it may be, but the point is that my lower body here is stabilizing. It's preventing motion. It's trying to kind of keep the body stable as my arms are moving. So the load is being borne here in my lower quarter, and that's really one of the key concepts what we're looking at there. For dead bugs, again, I'm going to start on my back, and we're initiating movement from the lower body here. So anything that involves leg movement, really. You could do, alternated kickouts, you could do leg lifts, you could do scissor movements, really whatever it may be, but the point is that that's sort of the combination that we're looking for. So a good sample circuit that I might utilize would be something like a straight leg sit-up, abs are tight, sit straight up, pause at the top, come back down, 30 seconds there. We can move into a plank with an elbow crawl. 30 seconds there, like with a leg extension dead bug. All right, and then we finish up with a plank push-up. Those are really just a couple examples of things that you can plug into whatever circuit that you choose, but really within those guidelines, the possibilities are endless. So if you're looking to hit your lower abs, there you go.